Everybody, I'm Tiff Howie from Broom Boat Sales, and today we're going to take you on another full tour of one of our latest listings. And this here is a Colvic Traveller 28, built in 1978, fitted with two Perkins 4108 48 horsepower engines. She's in a lovely condition and offers excellent accommodation space inside. So let's take a look. So if we start on the outside of this Colvic, first thing to point out is the large amount of external space. So you've got a large bow area with a seating section actually built in. You've got fender holders built in there too. Nice wide side decks for easy access from back to front, and well placed handrails as you go up there too. You can see two searchlights, one to port and starboard side. Then on the back, we find a really lovely space at the stern. This again is going to be great for a bit of outside social seating in the sunshine, and nice and easy to access too. I think on board, we find ourselves first of all in the centre cockpit. This is a hardtop style cockpit, which on a sunny day like today, you'd normally have these canopies open and then the hardtop above for some welcome shade. When this canopy removes off the back, you can access that back seating area very easily. You can see there's the access to the aft cabin, which we'll show you in more depth shortly. And then we have the helm position. This is over on the port side. You have your twin engines here. And then we have all of your gauges. We have more switches down on this side. So wipers, navigation lights, anchor lights, searchlight, water pressure, bilge pump, etc. There's a sound system, CD player built into there, and an Echo Pilot just there too. Visibility in this area is really good. You've got windows all the way around, and the windows to the port and starboard side open here, so even with the hardtop up, you're going to get nice fresh air coming through this cockpit if you have these open. Stepping forward from the cockpit, we find the largest section of the accommodation area. This is pretty cavernous, so you've got a very generous saloon and galley, and that is lovely, deep backed and very, very comfortable. This table extends further as well for more formal dining, and you can see the sheer amount of storage space that this galley is given. So you've got multiple drawers and cupboards. You've got a full oven and grill and a 3-burner hob just there. There is a twin sink here. So the second sink is a built-in drainer style sink. Hot and cold water supply there too. And then even more storage lockers along the back. We have large deep windows. Windows to port and starboard side will open, and curtains for both. And then when we move a bit forward, we find a double berth configuration. So this can be set up as is with the infill there to make a full double, which is a very generous size, or you can take the infill out and have this as two singles in a V berth configuration. And then in the centre, we have 3 windows. The middle one acts as an escape hatch and will also open, but it has that dual purpose of also letting in lovely fresh air if you wanted while in this area. Generally very clean and tidy, well looked after example, and very spacious in here. Then we'll move forward from here. We find the heads compartment. So in here we have a porta potty style toilet. We have a sink with storage underneath, and then behind this door we find a shower. And head after the cockpit, we find the second accommodation area, and it's quite unusual for a boat of 28 feet to have 2 formal cabin areas, but that just gives you so much space. So you can fit another 2 people in here for sleeping. You've got single berth to each side. In the centre, you've got sink with hot and cold taps, and you've also got storage built underneath. There's plenty of storage also built underneath the actual berths, which is really, really handy. Again, windows to both sides, port and starboard windows will open again. And then you've got fixed windows at the back, but loads of natural light in this aft cabin. Access to your engines is under the cockpit floor. So here we can see the starboard engine, nice clean engine there. This is a Perkins 4108. There's obviously a matching one for the port side as well. Everything's really, really easy to access. So all of these boards in the cockpit will raise up. So for your general engine checks and servicing, everything's nice and easy to get to. And you've got a 240 volt socket there at the back too. And just above there, we find the shore power connection. Our full tour on the Colvic Traveller 28 completed. As always, thank you so much for coming around this gorgeous boat with me. If you have any comments or questions, get in touch and we'll come back to you as soon as possible. And please make sure that you are subscribed to our YouTube channel where we post all of our latest full tour videos. Thanks for watching.